Problem postponed is a problem extended. Hello there. You notice anything different with me today? If you do, let me know in the comments. It's very subtle, but it's there. Anyways, I woke up nice and early, got the majority of my check-ins done for the day. I'm gonna do a meal prep this afternoon, so that's gonna be a big chunk of what you will see today. I'm just going in for a session right now with Leah, one of my hybrid clients, and to do some meal prep. We're going to the Oilers game on Saturday. I'm actually gonna do things that people do. Oh, hi Liz. And so I wanna make sure my food is all ready to go, because if you fail to plan to fail. Appreciate y'all commenting. Obviously I was a little bit frustrated with myself at the end of last vlog, but being able to recognize fatigue and being okay and understanding of myself with fatigue is normal. Fatigue is a byproduct of working really hard, and it would be ignorant of me to say that I have not been working very hard these last couple of years, let alone couple of weeks, especially since starting the YouTube channel. Being more compassionate with myself, and yeah, thanks for commenting, appreciate that. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, because it does help a lot. Give this a go. Nice. I'm only buying these because they're $2 and I've been feeling super snacky lately, so we're gonna give them a try. Super quick little grocery haul today. I went yesterday and grabbed a few things to make some bacon and eggs and stuff, so I didn't need a lot today, but here is what we got. So we're gonna do a ground turkey pasta sauce this week to change it up. So I got onion, Greek yogurt, needed more of that. I'm excited to try these because anything sweet chili is pretty good.
Get in my belly!
And $2. And finally, they had this at the store, which I've been looking for a while. The macros on it are nuts. Are you excited too, doggy? Yeah. So let's do some cooking. You couldn't tell, my knife sucks. I mean, I don't think I did that right. Actually, I know I didn't do that right because I'm crying right now. My life sucks. My knife sucks, so that's gonna be something I will be purchasing in the near future because that was pitiful to even attempt to do. But also Gordon Ramsay, that was confusing. So could have been better coached there, Gordon. Ground turkey is pretty well cooked. It's a little bit undercooked right now because it is gonna sit in the sauce for a while here. Right now, before you put the sauce in, you do wanna get your onions, garlic, butter going a little bit. You wanna crisp them up a little bit. You don't wanna burn them, but you want it to smell like there's garlic being cooked in here, from what I saw on YouTube. Not from Gordon Ramsay though. Looking at like 30-ish minutes of simmer time here. So I got everything pretty much all cleaned up. I'll show you what it looks like. Under an hour for meal prep and cleaning. You have time to meal prep. You are just choosing not to make time. So get your shit prioritized. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. It's glorious. Got a little Parmesan cheese on there. Oh my God, it's hot. I'm way too hot. Ah. That was good. Just took Liz out for a big long play with her friend Nola, a little Frenchie. She's so cute. I'll finish up the rest of this afternoon's check-ins. Start editing this before getting the workout in. I am going to have some leftover bacon and eggs. There's actually a piece of toast buried under this mountain of eggs and bacon, but I forgot how much I love bacon. It's so good. And I'm probably gonna have an absolute dog shit workout now because my body does not respond very well from a performance standpoint to high fat intake. So wish me luck. Hopefully I don't shite myself today. That could be, that's one way to get views on this platform, I suppose. A little bit of wisdom from James Smith from 2 weeks ago. Recognizing when loops come up in your life and recognizing how those loops are affecting your day-to-day life. A problem postponed is a problem extended. So if there's a conversation that you need to have with a loved one, a friend, a family member that's really wearing on you, the problem isn't going to go away, it's just going to become extended. When you extend problems like that, it takes a toll on you, mentally, physically, emotionally, and it's really important to be able to recognize when you're leaving multiple loops open. A little bit of a story from a client this last week where we got not into an argument by any means, but what I was saying wasn't being heard and wasn't being interpreted the way that I wanted it to be interpreted. And this caused a little bit of a disconnect between the two of us. And they kind of just wanted to go forward, almost acting as if it didn't happen. And I've hit a point now with my clients and my friends, not my family because they're not open to it, but I need to make sure that we're on the same page before we move forward. Because little loops that are left open lead to resentment and they lead to blow-ups in the future. And if we get to ground zero in the disagreement or the disconnection today, it's going to prevent a lot of future problems that don't actually need to happen. So what I want you to do, I want you to think about any loops that you may have open right now in your life that are weighing on you mentally, physically, and emotionally. And I want you to take action because the only thing you need to do today is the thing you need to do. You don't need to talk about it. You don't need to tell people you're going to do it. You just need to do the damn thing. Choosing action will come with a cost. So does choosing inaction. Hello, hope you had a great little Thursday. If you are still guessing what the difference is my hair went this way today instead of that way today. I have ambidextrous hair. That's what my hairstylist told me, so just saying, not a big deal. If you notice that though, you might be in love with me, so if you are, let me know. Reach out. Tell me in the comments if you do or not. I had a great day today. Got my meal prep taken care of as you saw. I'm gonna put the macros down on the screen here as well. I don't know, I've heard people say that they don't like the edamame pasta. To me, it's almost better than regular pasta. I'm also not a huge pasta eater myself. Like, I don't mind it. It's not something I'm gonna go out of my way to get, so maybe I'm just a little bit biased. But regardless, when you look at the macros and they're like that, it's pretty hard to deny. That's it for today. I got a relatively chill Friday. I got 2 consultations tomorrow. Trying to get a few sales in before the new year here starts and January gets all crazy. But let me know what you've got going on this weekend and if you have any exciting plans for Christmas coming up here. Let me know in the comments below. I did spend a lot of time yesterday watching how to vlog better. I'm not gonna be trying to switch things up by any stretch, but I'm gonna be trying to appeal to a larger audience. It's sort of, I know I'm in a position right now in terms of the growth side of things. Like, if you know me, I think you're somewhat invested in this vlogging process, but if I'm just some stranger on the internet, in the first like 25 seconds, I'd probably lose you because you just don't give a shit about me. So that's fair, that's valid, it happens to us. It is what it is as a content creator on this platform. But as always, if you could like, comment, share, tell your friends, it does help a lot. That's all I can ask for. So vlog 52 in the books, closing in on 60 days sober, which is pretty damn cool. Overall, just feeling really good. So hope you have a great night. I will see you for day 53 tomorrow. Peace out.